তাল গাছ এক পায়ে দাঁড়িয়ে, সব গাছ ছাড়িয়ে, উঁকি মারে আকাশে, মনের স্বাদ কালো মেঘ ফুরে যায়, একেবারে উড়ে যায়, কোথা পাবে পাখা সে? Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. These are the few lines from the poem on Taal Gach written by the Bard of Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore. Hope many of you are familiar with this tree, the sugar palm tree, popularly known as Taal Gach in Bengali. In Bengal, it is an important part of the natural landscape. The ripe palmyra fruit, or taal, as said in Bengali, appears in the market in the middle of August. This seasonal fruit is fibrous with a golden yellow sweet fragrant pulp, and this pulp is used in making various delicacies. However, the pulp extraction from this fruit is quite a task. Let me share with you how I do the extraction, followed by a delicious recipe of my grandmother. Let's begin. The most difficult aspect of working with taal is extracting the pulp. Traditionally, a bamboo basket called beted churi is used to scrape the fruit to extract the pulp. In my experience, using a normal grater is much easier than the basket, and it is readily available in every household. I always prefer to store the pulp for further use, and the best way to store it is to reduce the pulp over low flame and store it in a container in refrigerator so that you can make many delicacies using this pulp later on. In Bengal, Janmashtami and Taal are connected. During this occasion, we make special sweets using taal, like Taal Kheer, Taal bora, Taal malpua, Taal luchi, patishapta, etc. Among all, Taal Kheer is one of my favorite. This delightful and aromatic recipe has a nostalgic and traditional string attached to it, as I will be sharing my grandmother's Taal Kheer recipe. So let's begin. The unique combination of flavors and textures in this dish is what makes it a must try for anyone who loves sweets. Hope you liked my today's recipe. I will be sharing some more delicious Taal recipes soon. Which is your favorite Taal recipe? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more delicious content. Till then, this is Traditional Tales signing off for the day. See you in our next episode. Happy cooking!